Welcome to Next Gen Cloud Computing. Master Linux and Cloud Skill for free.
What are the common Linux distributions and how do you choose one for a specific use case? Linux distributions, distros, are variations of the Linux OS, each tailored for specific purposes or audiences. A distro typically includes the Linux kernel, system utilities, applications, and a package manager. Popular Linux distributions. Ubuntu. Purpose: general use, beginners, desktops, and servers. Features: user-friendly interface, extensive community support, and long-term support, LTS versions for stability. Use cases: ideal for newcomers, software development, and cloud servers. Linux, Rocky Linux. Purpose: enterprise and server environments. Features based on Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHEL, offering stability and security. Use cases: preferred for hosting web servers, enterprise applications, and database management. Fedora. Purpose: developers and tech enthusiasts. Features: cutting-edge technology and frequent updates. Use cases: suitable for development and exploring new Linux features. Purpose: stability and reliability. Features: extensive software repository and conservative release cycle. Use cases: ideal for servers and systems where stability is paramount. Arch Linux. Purpose: advanced users. Features: rolling release model and high customizability. Use cases: best for users who want complete control over their system. Kali Linux. Purpose: penetration testing and cybersecurity. Features: pre-installed security tools and forensic applications. Use cases: used by security professionals and ethical hackers. Linux Mint. Purpose: beginners transitioning from Windows. Features: elegant and user-friendly interface based on Ubuntu Debian. Use cases: desktop use for everyday tasks. 8 Red Hat Enterprise Linux RHEL. Purpose: enterprise and commercial environments. Features: paid support and enterprise-grade stability. Use cases: large-scale enterprise solutions and mission-critical systems. 9 SUSE Linux Enterprise Service. Purpose: enterprise environments. Features: tailored for servers and cloud computing. Use cases: suitable for SAP applications and cloud infrastructure. Raspberry Pi OS, formerly Raspbian. Purpose: Raspberry Pi devices. Features: lightweight and optimized for ARM processors. Use cases: educational purposes, IoT projects, and DIY computing. Factors to consider when choosing a Linux distribution. Skill level. Beginners: Ubuntu Linux Mint. Intermediate: Fedora Debian. Advanced: Arch Linux Gen 2. Use case: desktop: Ubuntu Linux Mint Fedora. Server: Debian, RHEL. Development: Fedora, Arch Linux. Securely Linux, Parrot OS. Hardware requirements: lightweight, Puppy Linux, Ubuntu. Modern systems: Ubuntu Fedora. Community and support: large communities: Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, RHEL, SLES. Update frequency: stable releases: Debian, CentOS. Rolling releases: Arch Linux, OpenSUSE, Tumbleweed. Package management: Deb-based, Ubuntu Debian Linux Mint. RPM-based, Fedora CentOS. Conclusion: selecting a Linux distribution depends on the specific requirements, expertise level, and intended use. For beginners, Ubuntu or Linux Mint is a great starting point. Enterprises often opt for RHEL or CentOS for their proven stability and support. Developers and tech enthusiasts might prefer Fedora or Arch Linux for their flexibility and cutting-edge features. Regardless of the choice, Linux offers a rich and versatile ecosystem suitable for virtually any computing need.